Are you trying to keep Daddy from going to work? Huh? Are you trying to keep Daddy from going to work? Oh, I see your little trick. Ah, I'm catching on to you. So what time do you want Daddy to go to work? You want to go to work with Daddy? You want to go to work with Daddy? Yeah. Wait, do you want me to take you in? You want me to take you in Ergo? Yeah. Oh, and how are we gonna feed you? You want me to take bottles? Oh, you want mommy to take it to work? But where am I gonna put you when I'm doing dialysis? In my backpack? Oh my goodness. But what if you suffocate in there? Oh my. Oh, you had it all planned out? Don't you want to stay here with Mommy? Uncle AJ's gonna come over. Oh yeah? Yeah, Uncle AJ's coming over. You gonna play with Uncle AJ? And you gonna play with Mommy? Oh, and Mommy's got all the food. You don't want to go to work with Daddy, do you? Do you want to go to work with Daddy? Oh, you do, huh? Daddy should be home. Yeah. Don't you want to play with your friends? What's your friend's name? Mr. M. Chick. Hubba Bubba.
Bouncy, 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 bounce. Bouncy, 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 bounce.
And Crazy Horse. Crazy Horse. Remember Crazy Horse? Yeah. You want to sing a song? Oh, not the poopy song? Okay, I won't tell nobody. Oh, really? Oh my goodness. You like to cheese me. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. You know, Grandma came over and was telling us cheese me. Uh-oh, hiccups? You got the hiccups? Oh, okay. You want me to turn the camera off? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll turn the camera off. Cut, cut.